If you think this is a real airplane, you'd be wrong. This is a 1 to 5.6 scale RCB-17 Flying Fortress with a 19-foot wingspan, taller than two grown men stacked on top of each other. The engineer spent years handcrafting this masterpiece. Its 14-foot length matches a compact car while its 42-inch height reaches an adult's hip. 465 cubic centimeter gas engines recreate the iconic sound of World War II bombers, each equipped with an electric starter system. Weighing 187 pounds, as heavy as a full-grown man, every flight becomes a true engineering challenge. With its massive size, authentic sound, and flawless craftsmanship down to every detail, this RC deserves to fly straight to Hollywood for the movies.